Hi.
My name is Kendra.
This is my friend Kendra. And I'm Buddington. And this is
Chicken.
Chicken. Yeah. Chicken knows how to do TV shows real good. Yeah. And this is your TV show, right, Kendra? And Kendra, she brought lots and lots and lots and lots of different animals to be in our audience. Who is this audience member here?
Her name is Pelly.
Isn't she beautiful? She's a kitty cat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for being in our audience today.
Meow.
Okay, who's are we going to introduce next?
Sheldon the sheep.
Where's Sheldon the sheep? Hello, Sheldon the sheep. Whoa, it's Sheldon the sheep. We're lucky to have him in the audience, aren't we? It's not bad. a little sheep humor. Who are all these bears? You got 70 bears.
I got these 2 yesterday.
And then, can I bring out the biggest one? Get ready for this. This is a big bear. Okay, he's heavy. Just a second. Whoa! It's a heavy bear. Whoa. 2 bears. You got a monkey and another bear. What kind of bear is this? I wonder.
He's a panda bear.
Panda bears. Excuse me, Kendra.
Yes.
Who is this person?
Oh, he is a monkey.
He's a monkey.
Yes.
Are you allowed to have a monkey in the hospital? Maybe there's a rule saying no monkeys.
But he's a sock monkey.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Is he a sock or is he a monkey?
He's a monkey, but what he's made out of, it's supposed to kind of look like socks.
I think that would be way better than being a sock made out of monkeys. Because that would get very uncomfortable. Okay, this here is a kind of a monkey too, I think.
Yes, he's a monkey.
But
he does have a name.
What's this monkey's name?
I named him Happy Feet.
What about this one?
Oh, I haven't named that one yet.
Okay. Yeah. Most of your animals have names though, don't they? Just some don't. But I got one more question.
What?
Because there's one that I don't know yet. But she looks a lot like you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's this?
It is a little doll. And she is supposed to look like me.
She does.
'Cause I drew her hair and her glasses and everything.
So you made her by drawing on her?
Yes.
And you gift her hair that looks like your hair. And you gift her glasses that look like your glasses. Yeah.
And she has a bracelet.
The same like you.
Yes.
Wow.
And this is Chicken.
And this is Chicken. Chicken is a superstar. Hello? Who's there? It's time for the Kendra and Buddington Puppet Show! It's me. I'm hiding. Hello. Who are you?
My name is Kendra.
Hello, Kendra. I'm Mr. Eyeballs. You look like my other friend, also named Kendra.
Oh, I didn't know there was another Kendra.
Uh-huh. Now I know 2 Kendras. Yeah. 'Cause she got hair like your hair.
Yeah.
And she got glasses like your glasses. And, on your arm you got something that she got too. What's that called?
That's called a pick line.
A pick line. You got hair like Kendra and glasses like Kendra and a pick line like Kendra does too. That's why you're the same. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, maybe we can find more puppets.
Yeah. Link.
Quack, quack, quack.
Link, link, link.
Quack, quack, quack.
Link, link, link.
Quack, 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 quack.
Oink, 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 oink.
Quack, 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 quack.
Oink.
Quack. A 1, a 2, a 7, 7, 9, 8.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it, move it.
That was good.
Yes.
We all did the show together, and that is what made it good. We all did the show together, and it turned out like it should. Bye, bye, bye. Thank you very much. See you another time day. That's all we got to
Say.
yeah. Move it.